Hello. Hi, how are you? This is Team the Kodiaks, a team comprising of Moses Umondi, Griffin, Odo, Mary Waweru, Dorcas Mwandi, and Felix Okumu. This team identified a problem in Kenya that is currently facing the education system in the country. And there has been manual marking and grading of national examinations in Kenya, which has proven to be slow, inconsistent, and prone to quite a number of errors, which places a heavy burden on examiners. This problem really affects the education system and also delays national examinations, which affect students' opportunities, their admission and even career paths. And even the examiners themselves are affected due to fatigue, and also they end up experiencing grading 100 of papers, yet receiving late payments, which are also regarded as peanuts. So um, an AI based grading system has been suggested by this group that would speed up the process, and they also ensure fairness and maintain credibility of the national examinations. Um, the team identified three user personas. Number one was the NEC examiners. These are normally teachers who are selected to participate in the marking of the national exams based on their experiences. And students are also high school students. For example, an high school student who has just completed the national exams and is anxiously waiting for her results. And number three was the Ministry of Education stakeholders. And these are people who are held responsible when the exam results are delayed or have errors. And so to say some sorts of marking errors in the current manual system that is used by the national government. Number one is fatigue, which takes up a big chunk of these sorts of errors, up to 40%. Secondly, followed up closely by 25% in inconsistent marking schemes. And again, there are issues regarding script misplacement and inexperienced markers, among other sources of marking errors. There has been a number of students you know sitting for these exams per year, and the number keeps increasing and getting high daily. The group suggested an AI powered grading system that uses optical character recognition and handwriting recognition to scan and mark handwritten national exams, and use AI models to evaluate and score answers fairly and pretty quickly. And this solution is deemed effective because it directly addresses the two biggest problem: number one, speed; number two, um, consistency. So the group currently designed a wireframe to help just visualize the early stages of this system. And on the login page, you can see, you have a marking, a username, a password. You have to log in, and in case you forget your password, you have a place to reset it. There is an examiner's dashboard where you're able to see the total script assigned to you, and the total script that you've marked and the total time you've taken per script. So it also reminds you the number of scripts that you've not been able to mark. And then an AI graded system looks at these and recognizes this handwriting, and then compares it with an answer rubric, and also you know at a glance give you a report of a student's score. For example, if Jane scored 67, and then also adds a predefined comments meeting expectations, if someone is above expectation, and also if they're below expectations and stuff. So it's also able to give you quick reports of the work you've done, and the amount you're supposed to pay, and to be paid as your wage in that regard. So, regarding our user interviews, we came to realize that the dashboard is not quite clear, and the user may take some time before understanding it, which again the team is currently working on closely to ensure that all our design and all our solutions are patient and client centered, and the need to have a reliable connection, internet connection, and tools is also such a pain point. And also there is need to have skilled labor for the system to be used efficiently. We are from our users end users. There is need to demonstrate how handwriting recognition would handle script, and especially foreign language subjects such as French. And also there is need to improve our user experience and user interface of the auto grading system, and also this includes redesigning the app interface to enhance visual appeal and user engagement and ease of use. If funding is available for this project, we look forward to building a fully functional national level prototype of the AI grading system, and looking forward to piloting it in past exam papers, so that we are able to train our model well in collaboration with the national exam body, and also refine this model based on real field feedback. And we would also want to scale this system to handle multiple subjects and integrate secure teacher dashboards and build mobile application and offline capabilities for use in remote regions. Ultimately, our goal is to partner with the Ministry of Education and other ministries to implement this AI powered grading system nationally, and also see a transformation on how our national exams are marked forever. We want to make a difference in speeding up and standardizing grading process at the edge of AI technology, and also help reduce anxiety for students, and also just handle even mental health at that level, and also make examiners workload easy and quite timely. This solution doesn't just improve a system, it it protects opportunities, it restores trust, and empowers the future of education. Otherwise, thank you so much, and looking forward to working with you in this to ensure that our systems are efficient and are able to solve our problems amicably as the Ministry of Education. Thanks.